Hi, this is Maria with the Customer Factor, and in this video, I'll show you how you can easily request deposits when presenting estimates. Even if you only accept deposits for certain jobs, this video is for you. Let's head over to the estimate format screen under the Prospects tab. Down here, you'll see where you can select a deposit option and insert a default deposit dollar amount or a percentage. Maybe you require 25% down, for example. So we'll insert 25 into this field here and click Update. So now, every time you create an estimate in the software or the mobile app, a 25% deposit will be automatically calculated into the estimate. But let's say you're a business that does not require a deposit for every service. No problem. You can create additional estimate templates, each with their own settings. So you can create an additional estimate template with a deposit as the default, and the main estimate template has no deposit default. To show you what I mean, we come up here and click the Create Another Display. We'll insert a title called With Deposit. And we'll leave it set to all and click Create. I would then recommend clicking on the link to this estimate template. So it says something like no deposit. It just helps when flipping back and forth between templates. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Making sure you have the with deposit estimate template selected, you can come down here and set up your deposit. So now, when you're on the estimate screen after creating an estimate for someone, you can toggle to the proper template depending on if the estimate you're presenting is one that requires a deposit or not. Let's create an estimate for a prospect. Let's go to Paul Jones and create an estimate. We'll click the Create and Send Print button. And we're here on the estimate screen. See this drop down at the top right? This is the drop down showing your estimate templates. So I need to request a deposit from Paul. We can just select the with deposit template instead of having to manually insert a deposit. Okay, we're almost done. Now you want the prospect or customer to make the deposit payment right after they accept the estimate. So let's go to the big proposal screen. You want to make sure to have the Include Credit Card button on last page set to Yes. This means that on the very next screen after the person accepts, they can make the payment right away using their credit card. They'll see a credit card button they can click on. As a side note, you always want to send a big proposal. So after creating the estimate and you're about to email it to the prospect or customer, please make sure the big proposal option is selected. This ensures that the deposit can be made right after they accept the estimate. Let's go back to Paul's estimate and I'll show you. Send big proposal choice. So if we fast forward, Paul accepts, he then makes payment for the deposit amount. The estimate turns into a job automatically, and an invoice was created automatically with that deposit being applied to it as a partial amount. All you have to do now is confirm what job date will work for you and the customer and collect the balance due when the job is done. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.